My name is Oisín and I'm studying Tourism, Hospitality and Events Management at Northern Regional College, Causeway campus. I've always had an interest in hospitality since my mid to early teens. I've worked several different part-time jobs as a teenager, and in my own family, my grandparents and my parents have operated their own hospitality practices. I decided to do this course because I wish to continue on in that area given my previous experience. I find this course is greatly beneficial in terms of personal development and career development. I find the balance between work and study to be of a satisfactory level. We do receive a full-time employment contract with the local business, and we also only have to be on campus one day out of every week, so it does leave plenty of time to really plan ahead in terms of study and work. After I finish this course, I plan to continue on where I'm currently employed. Additionally, I'll be seeking out supervisor or management roles in the hospitality sector in the local area.